We are going to learn today table function of Casio FX901EX class with software, a calculator. This offers you to type in one or two functions and it will create a function value for you. So I'll use a question to explain how you can utilize table function. So let us say the question says why taxi charges USD 25 for first 5 kilometer and then 2.5 for every next kilometer, and black taxi charges USD 15 for 8 kilometer and then USD 5 for every next kilometer. Figure out what distance black taxi is economical. So prima facie, when you see it appears that white taxi is expensive, black taxi is cheaper. But we don't know after certain distance, maybe the situation gets changed. So we will use table function to verify, check how these two functions are behaving and figure out the answer. So let me open up ClassWiz software function in ClassWiz, and it is asking me for the first function. So we can consider white taxi charges to be first function. So you need to notice that white taxi, the flat charge is of 5 kilometer, whereas for black taxi it is for 8 kilometers. So we need to equate both of them. We can add additional 3 kilometers. So it will be 2.5 times 3, that will be 7.5 plus 25 would be 32.5, and it is still higher than the black taxi, so there is no problem. So our first equation would be 32.5, that is flat charges, plus they're going to charge 2.5 for every next kilometer, so I'll say 2.5x. That is my first equation, and I can put in the second equation here, and then my second equation would be 15 plus 5x. Alright, so now we would like to begin our table. I would like to start my table from 1, and let's say I would like to end until 20, and would like to move from every step of 1. The moment you click it, see the beauty of ClassWiz, it gives you the function value for every x. So when x is 1, fx is 35 and gx is 16. So basically after 8 kilometer, the additional 1 kilometer, 9 kilometers. So in 9 kilometer, the charges would be $35 and $60. I feel we have done something wrong in the equation. Let me just go back and check the equation. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, so it has to be 15 plus 5x, right? There was I could not enter 5. Okay, let's do the table again. So after 9 kilometer, the white taxi is charging 35, black taxi is charging 20. Go one step further, 10 kilometer, because you know the 8 kilometer charges were fixed. 10, 37, 25, then 40, 30, 40 to 5, 35, 45, 40, and 47.5 and 40, 50 and 50. So when you have the value of x is 7, so 8 plus 7 till 15 kilometer, both the charges are same on the 15th kilometer, and after 15th kilometer the white taxi is economic and black taxi is becoming expensive. Let's see how it goes further. Yeah, in order to serve, we could verify it that after 15th kilometer the situation varies. We can do one more thing. We can create a QR code here. That is very unique part of it. If you don't know much about QR code, you can click on the link given to know more about QR code about of Casio ClassWiz. You can create and you can scan the QR code. I'll just double click here and it will open up for us, and you see it shows the graph and it gives you the graph here as well. You can change the settings. So let me just quickly change the settings. My x minimum is, let's say I would like to keep it 30. My y minimum, let's say y minimum is 30, and y max I would like to keep it till 100, and let's try it. So you see somewhere between 5 and 10 at 7, basically let's say 7:15, the red become lower than blue, and that is where the entire situation changes. So you can use Casio ClassWiz and table function to verify any two function, or in fact on a simpler question you can create table value for it. Some question might be like find out the nth term of a series. The nth term is given, so you can put in as a function and put in the nth term. The fifth term can be the value of x as 5, and you can create the fifth term. So you can utilize table function that way as well. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.